Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Here today to show you a brand new boat in the Sea Ray lineup. This is the 230 SPX. They rounded it out. They have a 19, a 21, and now the 230. This particular boat, we just did a nice white all the way through. Looks real nice and classy. So let's go up and take a look inside. Well, here's the transom of the boat. The 230 has a nice big swim deck on the back, and we did equip it with the sea decking. And the 230 also has the option for the manual swim steps. So that particular swim step can get pushed all the way down into the water. Really cool feature for this boat. We also have a nice backrest. So if you're hanging out, anchored, watching everybody swim, you can kind of hang out on the back of the boat. And then, just like other SPXs, we have a nice true walkthrough. Nice step down right into the cockpit. Welcome to the cockpit of the 230. This does have an 8.6 beam, so a lot of space in here. It's very spacious. Lots of room all the way around. You got room right here for a carry-on cooler. You've also got room under here for an insulated cooler. Just throw some ice in there. Storage back in here. Some storage back in here. I got storage below me, and then the nice seats that are right here as well. Nice bolsters. And then with the 230 that we didn't have in any of the other SPXs is we do have a head. So the head is available in the 230. This particular boat comes standard with the what we call the select package. So this one was equipped with the cognac color. So nice tans, and then upgraded dashes, upgraded steering wheel. This does have the LED blue lighting if you like, and then courtesy lighting as well. So now on the bow of the 230, very deep bow, very safe if you have the little kids. A lot of space up here. There's also some storage underneath my feet right here as well. But nice and rounded out. This is a beautiful boat, brand new to Sea Ray this year. So come on down to our Rogers location. Love to show you a little bit more.